This is step 2 in the process of building your reading portfolio. So we're now back on the Switch Portfolio dashboard, and we are going to create. So we've already worked on how to create a collection. We've seen how to put a page within the collection. Now we're going to create your first page. Click on Create, and we're going to add. This time we're going to add a page, and we're going to call it Introductory page, or even myself, as you wish. This is really just to introduce yourself. And we're going to now work on the layout of this page, something that you'll need to do for each page as you go along. So if I click here, we will be able to see the different rows, and we can actually even custom this by going down to create new layout and custom it. What I'm going to do is choose a page that I like, which is one solid block, then which I would choose here. Then I would go to 2 blocks down below, and then a 3rd block here. It does seem to give it a good layout. So first row will look like this for me. For me, second row would look like this, and third row would look like that. But as I say, you can create a custom layout and save. In my first block, which is behind here somewhere, I would like to add what I have created before, and that is a myself mind map. So we click on image. So you can see it's positioned up here and gives us a nice size block. So here I'm going to click on image again, and I want to select from one of my files. So I will select here. And I've just put together a very quick and basic myself mind map. Obviously, I will expect you to do a full one. And click there, double clicks, and it will give me this image that is behind here somewhere. And save. And magic. It appears here. And obviously, you can shift this around as you wish. Just to give you an example of what a myself mind map or an introductory page could look like, I'll just take you to one of the students who's given us permission to have a look at his that he did in the previous assignment. So here he has his myself mind map, which he's uploaded as I've just done now. And then in the 2 blocks just below, he's added things he can do and something about himself and how he works. I would then go on to comment if need be. But that is how he's done it, and just a good example for you. So back to the page. Here you would have the image, so the first block is done. Then we're going to work on the 2nd and 3rd block. So here I'm going to click on this one and add, and you'll see it'll come up as a text here, and I would now need to fill in what that text is. Let's say about me, and I could write whatever I wanted about myself, and I expect you to do the same over here as you wish, and save. And the same thing would happen in the block on this side here. So I'll click on that, add, and let's say my goals. Could be my goals for life, it could be my goals for this course, and I would type in something here about it. You can add images, you can add other mind maps as you wish. And as you know, I had another block, so we have one here, and I'm going to add, and let's say my expectations for this course. Maybe it could be anything like that. And save. And here I have my page. All right. And if I should display page, this is how my page would look. So that gives you an idea of how to do your first introductory page. Enjoy.